What's good, everybody? So in this video, we are going to be talking about market sessions and what to trade during those market sessions and what times to trade everything. That way you get the best possible advantage to be successful and win in these markets. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into the charts. Real quick, if you're looking for a new broker or looking for a broker in general, try Liquid Brokers. My favorite broker. They have low spreads starting from zero. They have cheap commission fees. They're a regulated broker as well, so your money is protected. And they have different chartings that you can use and whatever best fits your trading style. Fast withdrawals, fast deposits, whatever you want. So yeah, check out Liquid Brokers. All right, so with market sessions, you have a London session, you have a New York session, and you have an Asian session. Typically, the New York session, the New York Stock Exchange opens at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. It could be different from you. You just have to do the time conversion or the zone conversion. London session is usually around 2 to 3 a.m. And then Tokyo session is around 7 p.m. So during those sessions, like if you're trading the New York Stock Exchange, you want to focus on, like I trade indices. So I focus on NASDAQ and I focus on US 30. If you're trading like Forex pairs or anything like that, you want to focus on the US Forex pairs. If you're trading Tokyo session, you want to focus on the Japan pairs, the JPYs and things like that. Now, as far as a indice, I do JPN 225, but right now my broker isn't covering the JPN 225. For the London session, I like the German 40 or I like the UK 100. Both of those are indices, but if you're trading the London session, you could do like GBP pairs. They're usually pretty good in the middle of the, well, for me, it's the middle of the night. For your time zone, I'm not sure what it is. I went over some trades already, or I'm going to go over some trades in the future on how it works. But there is an indicator if you just need help seeing the market session. There's an indicator of market sessions by Leviathan. You can put that on your chart to bring this up. Right here, you see all indices. Oh, you have gold too. Gold usually is universal. You can trade gold in almost any market. I noticed gold moves at 7 a.m. I don't know why 7 a.m., but I noticed gold moves a lot at 7 a.m. So pro tip. But be careful. Gold is tricky. So if I go to Forex, right now we're on NASDAQ, which is a US pair, of course. But if we go to here, we can go to like AUD USD. Usually that's a New York session. Looks like it moves through London sometimes too. I don't trade Forex pairs anymore. I mainly do indices and gold, of course. If you're starting with the $50 to $100 account, you may want to look at like a Forex pair like GBP, JPY. That was my favorite to trade. GBP, USD was another favorite to trade. Usually you want to look at US pairs during the New York session. If you're doing the London session, you want to look at like Euro. You could do like Euro USD, which is actually one of the favorites, if not the favorite and most popular. The Euro USD usually moves in between this London session and New York session, right at, sometimes it's 7 a.m., sometimes it's when the New York Stock Exchange opens. But typically what you want to do, what you can do with this indicator is if you have like a small account, $50 to $100 account, and it's not letting you use your margin to trade like a indice, you can put this on and you can see what market or what pairs move best in what session. That way, whatever schedule you work, you can kind of work around that and still make time to trade for the day. Just don't over trade. Still try to stick to one, maybe two trades a day if you want to do it that way. But if you do 2 trades a day, try to spread the trades throughout the day. Like do one in the morning, one in the evening, or one in the evening, London session. However you want to do it, whatever works best for your schedule. So for me, like when I was trading Forex, GBP, JPY was my go-to, and gold was my go-to. I like GBP AUD as well, GBP USD. So as you see, these things do move. The GBP pairs move a lot through London session. As you see, we're getting big drops, 81 pips, another 75 pip move on London session with the GBP pair, 67 pip move. So you want to stick to the pairs that's with that market session. Let's see, let's look at a GBP JPY. Because I believe GBP JPY, yeah, it moves through Tokyo and London. So you get a move through Tokyo, you get like a good 90 pips. And this is why GBP JPY is my favorite, because if you work a 9 to 5 and you're trying to get into this, it allows you to trade in the evening and during like the London session in the middle of the night. And GBP, of course, is Great Britain pound, so of course it's going to move during London session, and JPY is the Japanese yen, so that's going to move during Tokyo session. So you pretty much get a 2-in-1 with that one. Yeah, so that's why I like GBP JPY. You get that 2-in-1. Dang, look at that. That's there in New York. That's a crazy candle right there. That's insane. And then I use the same strategy, breakout strategy. So for the market sessions, again, you can go through, you can put that indicator on. You can go through these pairs. GBP JPY is a favorite for me. It moves during London session and then moves during Tokyo session. So if you're starting with the low account, I recommend GBP JPY, but you can do whatever pairs you want. Also, and just to add to what I just said, when you're don't try to go through and trade every single one of these pairs. Like just get 1 to 2 pairs like that you want to get good with. Just trade those 2 pairs, just depending on your schedule. If you can only trade during the evening, find an evening pair to trade, stick with that pair and learn that pair. And that's why, like for me, I like volatility in the market, which that's why I choose to trade indices. Like in the morning, I'm looking at NASDAQ and US 30. In the evening, once my broker gets the JPN and JPN back 225, I'm looking at that one. Their London session, if I am looking, I'm looking at German 40 and UK 100. Don't make it difficult trying to trade every single pair. Like you're not gonna win that way. Every pair moves differently at different times. So find what pair works best for you, stick with that pair and make that pair yours. You know what I'm saying? Like you don't have to trade every single pair. Some people do that. I can't do that. I like structure. So that's my advice on that. Find what works for you. Find the best market session that works for you. That way you can know what pair you're gonna trade, what to look for. Use the same strategy, the support and resistance, the breakout, or supply and demand. Look for all 3 of them when you're looking into these trades. That is my advice on that. Get you a market session, whichever works best for you. Or if you can trade all 3, that's fine too. Just, try to limit yourself. You don't want to get greedy. Get you a pair during each session. Practice that pair. Go back test. Watch how it moves and back test. Just go through the charts, look at that specific time, jot it down, journal it, however you got to do it, wherever helps you best. Try to give yourself the best advantage to be a successful trader. I appreciate y'all tuning in again, and I see y'all next video.